In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically turn e-commerce product events into scheduled social media posts using AI. The goal of this workflow is simple. Whenever a product event happens in your store, you can automatically generate marketing copy and send it straight to your social platforms without having to write every post manually. This is a great way to save time, stay consistent, and make sure new products get promoted quickly. To begin, set up your flow so it starts with an e-commerce event. A common example is using a Shopify trigger like watch products. This allows the automation to listen for activity related to products, such as when a new item is added or updated. Once that trigger is active, your flow will have access to the key product details it needs, like the product name, description, pricing, and images. Before moving on, make sure the trigger is pulling in the correct product data, because that information will shape everything generated later. Next, pass the product information into an OpenAI or DeepSeek module so the system can generate social media copy for you. This is where the automation becomes much more powerful. Instead of manually drafting captions, you can use AI to create clean, engaging text based on the product details coming from your store. When setting this up, provide enough context so the AI knows what kind of post you want, such as promotional, friendly, or launch-focused copy. The better the input data, the more useful and polished the output will be. After that, connect your social media module. This could be Facebook pages, Instagram, X, or whichever platform you want to publish to. Make sure the correct account is connected and that the module has permission to create posts. This step is important because even if the AI generates great content, the workflow still needs a publishing destination. Once your social account is connected, map the AI generated copy into the post text fields and map the product image URLs into the image fields. This tells the platform exactly what content to publish. Take a moment to confirm that the text lands in the right place and that the image links are valid and accessible, since broken mappings can lead to incomplete posts. Finally, schedule the execution time for the post. This gives you control over when the content goes live, which is useful